model, 2019 VAUXHALL Combo 1.6 CDTI spares OR repairs body, white, panel van mileage, 101,361 engine, 1,560 cc 1.6 turbo 100 PSS, S transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect, runs with a slight top-end rattle camshaft is worn, the rest of the engine looks all good. The turbo will need replacing, gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features: 0 former keepers, EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074